We are back at it again with yet another advent calendar for 2024. This time it's coming from Macy's. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel where we are doing lots of unboxings this year for advent season. If you have not found your advent calendar yet, there are still more to be unboxed. So we're going to be going through the Macy's luxury advent today. So who knows, maybe this will be your calendar today. Advent calendar, like I said, is presented by Macy's. It is their luxury advent. It is only going to have 12 doors inside of it. So if you're looking at this and you're like, wow, that's not very big, that's why there's only going to be 12 products in here. Now, as far as numbers go, this advent retails for $120 for 12 doors. And I don't know, you guys, just when you're breaking it down, I'm looking for $10 per door to break even with my money and to earn my money back. But $10 per door is a little high for that average price point. So I'm not sure yet if this will be worth it at that $120 price point. However, what could be in our favor this year is last year in 2023, Macy's put out their advent calendars and they significantly discounted them the closer we got to December and then also when we were in December. So I'm talking to like 50% off. I am buying this calendar early to make this video and to show you guys what's inside of it. It potentially could be a good advent, just not at a great price point yet. But I have a funny feeling if they drop the price on this and it does go on sale and it's $60 for this, this might be a steal of a deal. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they estimate that there's over $300 worth of products in this calendar, which again, I find a little hard to believe, but that's what they're saying. So to open this advent, there is a bow here on this side. So we're just gonna, oh, it's really knotted up. I thought it was gonna be easy to pull apart, but apparently it's got a full-blown knot. So this is what it will look like when we open up our door. Beautiful packaging. I love the presentation. I do feel like you could reuse this because these are all sturdy. So it's a good solid piece and it just looks like the Macy's storefront here. So I do think packaging is nice. Oh, they even have the custom fit foam. Okay, I do like that, you guys, especially because this is being advertised as a luxury advent. I love when they make the custom foam to fit in here and then the product fits snugly inside. So they've done that with every drawer. And if you do want to reuse this, the foam actually can come out so you could put then your own products inside of it. But I do like that a lot. Ooh. So this is going to be the Youth Watery Oil and it will help to illuminate your skin is the idea. So this is a luxury brand. We do have a sample here at 5 ml of product. So it mentions that this product is 95% naturally derived ingredients and it is also going to be cruelty free as well, which I do appreciate. So this is what it will look like here. I will tell you, I have used this product before and I do think it does give you a little bit of a brightening essence to it. It is an oil, so you're just going to use the dropper to put just a couple of drops on. It's got these really great beads in here, which if you shake it up, it will help to activate that a little bit better. And that's where you're going to get that brightening effect at. So I do think this product works. It is a sample size, which, you know, for the brand, I don't know. Do I see $10 worth of product here? Probably not. In day 2, we have a product from, oh, this is Carolina Herrera. This is the Good Girl Gloss. Look at how cute it looks in the box too, you guys. But again, you can tell it's a sample. And this is why I said I kind of knew going into this calendar that 120 was steep. But like I said, we're looking for the long haul, right? We're looking for the sale. So this one is 1.5 ml of product. Yikes, that is really small, you guys. Why is it, I don't understand you guys, but why is it luxury brands are stingy? I just don't understand why we can get such large samples from any other business, but if we talk about luxury, they're always this small amount. Now the shade on this is number 975. It is a gorgeous pink shade. It is so cute, you guys, but I wish it was a little bit bigger. Now this is what your gloss will look like. It is very smooth and it's got a great shine. You can tell that there's a touch of pink, but it's not, you know, it's not intense. It's barely there is what I'm trying to say. Would I spend $10 on this? Personally, no. But I mean, I would if it was like, you know, $2 or $3. Okay, day number 3 is the largest drawer in this advent. It's very wide. So inside of this drawer, we have a product here from SK2. This is their facial treatment mask. Now it does mention right on the back, loud and proud, this is a sample mask. I will mention, it is a great brand. I do think this mask works really well. It gives you moisture back to your skin. It's also supposed to give you a brightening treatment at the same time. I have already tried this from, we just got this in another advent calendar, or I can't remember what it was. But I did just get this, used it recently, and I was like, wow, I do notice a difference. Like my skin felt softer after using it. So I do think it works. I really do like it. Again, I don't know if I would spend $10 on this mask, but I would even spend $5 or $6 on it. The next item that we have in here, ooh, is from Estee Lauder. Now this is fancy. This one is their Ultimate Diamond Eye Cream. We have 5 ml of product. Now I don't mind getting 5 ml with eye creams because usually the full-size product is 15 ml. So I do feel like there is enough in here. It's an eye cream. We're not going to use a lot of it. So this one doesn't bother me as much, but it's a great brand. Oh my gosh, it does say on here not for sale though, because it is a sample, you guys. In day 5, we have a sample from Giorgio Armani. This is the High Shine Hydrating Oil Infused Lip Gloss. We have 1 ml. 1 ml of product, you guys. Again, why are they so stingy? So this is what your packaging will look like here. And the shade that we have is number 1, which is just clear. It is really, really tiny, you guys. 1 ml of product. I mean, I don't even know how long this would last you. This is going to be like, what, a few days? Like a couple of days is all you're going to have here with this one. Holy bananas, you guys. I honestly thought, like I said, I bought this advent thinking, okay, if they put it on sale, it will be worth it for my viewers. So I want them to know what's in here. That way they can look out for the sale. But right now I'm going, I don't even know if, I mean, do you know how much of a sale this would have to be at right now to buy a bunch of samples? I thought I had a great solution here, you guys. I really did. I was trying to think ahead. I don't know. So door number 6 is what we are up to next. Inside of this one, we have, ooh, what is this? Oh, Lancome. This is their serum. It is an intensive concentrate and it has rose extracts in it. So this has 5 ml of product here. This serum is designed to visibly improve your skin's radiance and smoothness. So it is supposed to give you younger looking skin after using this product. So this is what it will look like here. I definitely missed it on this one, you guys. Man, I so missed it. I knew 120 was not going to be, I knew it was going to be overpriced at 120, but I thought this would be worth it at like a $60 price point. And now I'm like, I don't even know if I can recommend this to you guys at $60. Look at this drawer, you guys. So on day 7, huge drawer. I mean, the whole thing is filled with foam. And then we get this tiny little YSL sample in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. We could have put the whole lipstick in here for that size. It is so tiny. I can't even read this down here. So I know it's a lipstick. Not for individual sale, by the way, because it is a sample. It states that it's 0.04 ounces. And it is shade number 150. So this is what our lipstick will look like. Okay, love the shade. I think it's beautiful. Definitely a matte shade, but it's very pretty. I love how bright it looks too. Like it looks very happy, but wow, you guys, wow. Now this is what I would like to see. This is going to be a fragrance from Cartier, and this is 10 ml of product. Ironically, you guys, the largest item we've had so far is a fragrance. And normally, I mean, fragrances are so expensive. Normally they'll send us like really small samples. So I actually feel like this is pretty generous considering it is a fragrance. So 10 ml is what we have here. This is honestly like a travel size spritzer that we have. So it will look like this. I mean, look at that. Now, see, this I would have been interested in because I know this is worth more than $10 because of the brand. It's a fragrance and there's quite a bit of product here. I feel like this is what we should have been seeing through the whole Advent. Oh, here's another one. Okay, this is actually getting better. Oh my gosh, what a roller coaster so far of an Advent. We have a fragrance in here from Viktor and Rolf, and it is their Flower Balm. This is the Ruby Orchid perfume. 7 ml on this. Still, these, you guys, I was just at Sephora and I was looking at these because they have them in like the checkout line, you know, where they've got all the little minis. This little bottle is there and it's like $25, you guys. I'm not even joking. So to have it inside of this Advent, I do feel like is a really good deal. I mean, honestly, I love how much we have. Plus, this is a great scent. They have a lot of great scents. If you've not smelled them before, they make a few different variations of their flower bombs. And they are very floral, but I do love how feminine they are. In day 10, we have a perfect little cube here. This is a moisturizing cream. It is 2 ml of product, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, like seriously, I feel like I'm opening the Bloomingdale's Advent. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys, and here, let me point out to you, not only is this not like a full jar, they actually have a cutout in here too. So the jar is bigger than how much product you even have in here. Like this is, let me see if I can open this up here for you guys. Look at this little dollop. I feel like you're gonna use this in one sitting. Like, it's enough face cream to try it one time. You have no idea if you're going to like it or not. I mean, this is just a little ridiculous. You know, it is a really good thing I'm in a great mood today. Like, I am not going to let this Advent calendar bring me down today. But, yeah, did not think this Advent was going to be like this at all today. In day number 11, we have... Oh, it's another fragrance. This is the Mediterranean Honeysuckle. It is a cute little bottle here. Oh my gosh. But see, again, there's more product in here to try than a lot of the other ones that we've had. Now, the size on this one, I can't tell. I think it says 3 ml, I think is what it says. It's so tiny. I don't even know this brand. I'm assuming it's a luxury brand because that's what they told me. Oh, that's strong. Okay, this is not my scent. This is really strong. I think the honeysuckle is nice. I like kind of that slight floral scent that it has, but it's also a really strong fragrance. Last up is day number 12 here, and in this Advent, we do have a product from La Mer in here. This is their moisturizing cream. It is 7 ml of product. So this is what it will look like here. It is a hydrating moisturizer. Great brand. I definitely think it's luxury. Honestly, I'm not discounting that on any of the brands that we've seen. All of them have been luxury brands in this calendar, so I think that's great. So this will give you a lot of hydration for it. At least at 7 ml, you'll probably get, what, 2 or 3 uses out of this one. So it's not as tiny as the last one. Now, also in this one, we do have a little card in here that says $10 off of a $40 purchase. So we actually have a coupon that is good until June of 2025, and you can use it at the Macy store. So this does come inside of the last drawer as well. So that is everything inside of the Macy's Luxury Advent for 2024, you guys. Okay, yes, I was completely wrong on this one. I knew $120 was overpaying for this Advent going into it. Like, I just knew it was going to be too much. But I honestly thought, hey, if they mark this down to $60, it's probably going to be worth it. But I don't even think it's $60 that this is worth it. And I definitely don't know how they got over $300 worth of value out of this calendar. They claim it's $322 in this whole Advent. I don't see that, you guys. So comment down below. Let me know, what do you guys think? I still would say keep an eye on it. If they discount it, if they clearance these out, it might be worth it. Even if you could get coupons and like apply it and stack some deals, you might be able to get this at an affordable price point. I feel like honestly, looking at everything, I would pay $40 for this because I do think that works out to an affordable price point. You can try some luxury brands out, but even, I don't think anything over that. I think anything else is just too high. Like I said, it's a good thing I'm in a great mood today. So comment down below. We will chit chat all about it, you guys. And if you're interested in any of the other Advents that I have unboxed this year, I do have a playlist down below as well. There you can check out our best to worst list, and you can see which Advents are killing it this year and which other Advents are just not hitting the mark at all. But we also need to determine where we are going to put this Advent at on our list. My thoughts are it's probably going to go towards the bottom. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!